I'm Brandon.
And I'm the dad.
And today we will be playing this month's Atom and the Dot box. And this time we will be making it a little bit more interesting, as my dad and I will compete to see who is better at following instructions.
Okay, so what's in the box?
The box has the instruction book, 10 dominoes, one bottle, and a packet of 4 ice cream sticks, 3 blue tack, 2 containers, 1 eraser, 150 meter of thread, 2 paper scouts, 1 piece of binder ring, and 2 marbles.
Okay, and what we're trying to do?
We are gonna be building Play 1, the flying fox. That we are gonna be making our own Rube Goldberg machine. What's a Rube Goldberg machine?
Hang on.
This book is so cool.
Okay, a Rube Goldberg machine is a machine that is designed to perform a task in a very overcomplicated manner.
Wow.
Okay, shall we do it now?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, let's start. We need the packet, the Atom and the Dot box, the domino tiles,
I have one here.
and the bottle.
Okay.
So from home, we need scissors, a roll of tape, and a high chair. It's here.
Okay. Okay, shall we start?
Yeah. You guys, we have 2 Rube Goldberg structures now, and guess which one is mine? Write down in the description down below.
Okay, so let's test it out. Let's see which one works. Let's test out the first one first. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, go! Woohoo! Okay, this one works. Yeah. Now next. Okay, for the next one, let's go.
So bad.
Maybe we should retry. Yay! Is it a victory dance?
Okay, this is the end of this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to Atom and the Dot. And remember to buy one Atom and the Dot box.
This is not a YouTube video.